Hi, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to control ESP device from Microsoft Excel using Webserver library. We can control some devices such as relays, dot matrix, etc. Don't forget to like this video, and subscribe my channel. Let's get started. This is the wiring diagram. I use micro USB adapter for 5-volt supply, dot matrix max 72 to 19, relay 4 channels, and ESP8266. This is code of ESP device. I use some libraries, don't forget to install the libraries. ESP connect to internet using Wi-Fi connection, change this SSID, and Wi-Fi password. This is for dot matrix configuration. Because I use 8 dot matrix, set max device to 8. This is output configuration. I use 4 output relays, change this output based on the wiring diagram. This is HTML code for Webserver page. When we access the ESP IP address, it will show this HTML page to control ESP. Set up the relays as output. This code is for receiving input from Webserver page. Input 1 is for dot matrix, input 2 until input 5 is for relays. In loop function block, put if condition to turn on, or turn off relay based on received input from Webserver page, and also display the dot matrix. This is Microsoft Excel file. Fill the IP address same with ESP IP address. You can test to access ESP from browser, and get the link when submit an input. In Visual Basic Editor, select Tools, and select References. Select some required references for this project. This code is for sending input 1 to display text on dot matrix, when send button clicked. The code is very simple. Get variable IP address, and text from range before, then send to server using IP address link with variable input 1. For control each relay, I use toggle button. If toggle button value is true, it will send string value on. When toggle button value is false, it will send string value off. It's sent to server using input 2. Similar syntax for other toggle button, I just changed the input number. I will show you how to use this Excel. For sending text to dot matrix, type string and range before, and then click send text button. To turn on a relay, press the toggle button value become true. To turn off a relay, release the toggle button become false. This is actual wiring of this project. I use dot matrix, ESP8266, 4-channel relay and micro USB adapter for getting 5-volt supply. Now, testing to control ESP from browser using smartphone. Starting send text to dot matrix. Next, control the relays, turn on, and turn off the relays. OK, now control ESP device from Microsoft Excel file from a computer. The computer must be in same network with ESP device. Thank you for watching. You can get all required files for free. I put link on video description. Don't forget to like this video, and subscribe my channel.